Gentlemen, welcome to another video. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. Hope all is doing well. But yeah, it's back. I'm back with a monthly progress video of my speed cubing journey. Without further ado, let's get started. So about my progress for the past month, I think I've been pretty consistent. Not gonna lie, I did skip a few days. I was a little busy sometimes because I also have other hobbies as well, such as, creating other YouTube videos, a 9-to-5 job, and also doing some calisthenics stuff, just like working out. And yeah, so I mean, I still think I did a pretty good job of staying consistent with speed cubing. So I try to practice at least 3 times a week, each time for about like 10 minutes or so. So it's still pretty doable for this busy lifestyle I have right now. And yeah, let me see, guys. I haven't skipped too many days. I try to practice at least 3 times a week. Let me make the screen bigger so you guys can see. Boom. So I do time solves every time I practice. So as you guys can see, February 3rd, February 10th, 13th, 15th, 17th, 20th, 21st, 24th. So yeah, pretty consistent. I only skip like 1 or 2 days. So yeah, not too bad, like I said before. All right. Without further ado, let's get freaking started, man. I'm feeling really good today. My fingers are feeling nice and warm. The weather has gotten a lot warmer these days, so my fingers are actually feeling really good. I feel like I can turn pretty fast. So hopefully I'll get a good time today. All right, let's get started. Oh, by the way, today is February 28th. Okay. All right. Just wanted to say that so you guys can know when this video was recorded. Okay. Let's get started. Really nice cross case, so it should be pretty good start. Okay, 1. Guys, I think I jinxed myself, bro. I got a really good cross case at the beginning, but the execution was really, really bad. And yeah, the PLL case was really, really bad. And I also messed up the algorithm at the end, as you guys can see. Let me turn my brightness down a little bit. I think the reflection from my computer might be affecting my vision here a little bit because the light is reflecting off the cube, which, yeah, affects me. It's kind of hard to distinguish the colors with the reflection. So yeah, turn my brightness down. So it should be good moving forward. I mean, it's only one bad solve, but the important thing is to finish strong. All right, let's keep on going. So this time I got 35.39. This is an absolutely terrible time for me. I usually average like 20 point something seconds. All right. Okay, not bad, not bad. It's a very average solve, 21-1. Okay. I cannot mess up anymore. I already have one bad solve, so there is no room for error. Okay. Really nice last layer case. The recognition was a little bit slow, but still a good time regardless. All right, let's freaking go, guys. Let's freaking go. Okay. Okay, hopefully you guys can see it. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, let me scramble the cube. Absolutely terrible F2L case there, bro. Every piece was, yeah, it was separated, and they're not very good F2L cases. So, man, my F2L really slowed down the entire solve. Okay, let's go. Although the at the end the PLL execution was a little bit choppy, but still a pretty good time. So I'm happy. I'm happy with that solve. Damn, you guys see that PLL execution? I almost did the wrong algorithm. And the cube almost slipped out of my friggin' hand, but still a good solve regardless. So, pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Could be better, but still a good solve. Anything above 20 seconds is a very good solve for me. Absolutely terrible PLL case there, but wow, the execution was really good. So very good solve. I believe I got an end perm there, but I don't know how to do the end perm, so I actually did a 2-look PLL there. bro. +2, bro. Damn, bro. I think I was a little bit out of control at the end. So I got a +2. All right. It's good to solve, so I'll take it. 1688 +2. Yeah, that's still a really, really good solve for me. Very, very bad solve there. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I almost did the wrong OLL algorithm. Yeah, that's not a good solve. Very, very bad solve, bro. What is going on, man? Oh man, I did literally the most inefficient F2L, and yeah, I kind of bombed those algorithms there. Like those algorithms were very, very clunky, not smooth at all. Damn, what the heck is going on, man? These last two solves are really, really bad. Oh, what? Okay. Okay, I thought I had a +2 there, but nice. 1861. So, not gonna lie, I was a little bit out of control there. I did waste a few moves there, but yeah, still good solve. Good turning there, so 18.61, that's a really good solve for me. Okay, so guys, we got a chance to get a sub-20. Deep breath, deep breath. Got this, guys. Come on. Let's freaking go! That's what I'm freaking talking about. Really good execution, and yeah, I mean a decent solve. I mean decent F2L. My F2L always sucks, but that was a decent F2L, and yeah, really good solve for me. 17.84. Let's freaking go, guys. That's what I'm freaking talking about. My Let me make the screen bigger so you guys can see. All right, my final time. So what I'm worried about is the average of 12. So my final average of 12 is 19.95. I barely made sub 20, but all right. First solve I did terrible, but yeah, most of the solves were pretty good. So guys, I think this is a success for me, definitely. Okay, let me make definitely a successful progress video today. I got a sub 20, which is yeah, really good for me. But I will continue with this series of journey to sub 20 because I feel like I can still improve a little bit. Like, I don't think I'm like consistent sub 20 yet. So, yeah, I want to be consistent. I want to keep improving, and I don't want to take a break from cubing. I still want to keep going at it. It's still enjoyable. It's good to, cube and take a break from looking at my computer screen all day or looking at my phone all day or looking at the TV all day with the cube. It's really chill. So definitely it's still a really good hobby for me, and I still enjoy it and hope to keep improving. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.